If you want to start making money with a drone, you're going to be needing one of these. Now, this is a Part 107, and what this does is it makes it so you can legally make money with your drone. The only reason you would need a Part 107 is if you want to start making money with your drone. If not, you don't need it at all. Now, there's two things you need to do to get your Part 107. And that's one, you have to be of age, which is 16 years old, and two, you have to pass your FAA knowledge test. I was too cocky, and I thought I knew enough to pass the test, and I failed. So I had to go through, and I studied even harder, and I went through and then passed the second time. Now, the downside with the test is that it's $175, and that's $175 that's just gone, and I should have actually studied and gone through. Now, there's tons of courses out there that you can study. I watched this one video on YouTube, and it really helped, and I went through and did some practice tests, and that's how I passed. Now, it's not a crazy hard test if you study. If you don't know anything about the airspace or drones, then it's going to be a lot more difficult. Now, the main question is a Part 107 even worth it for you? For most people, it's not, because if you're just a recreational flyer, and you like to go have fun with your drone in your backyard or at a park, then no, I wouldn't get it. But if you want to actually start making money with your drone, and you want to start doing like a drone business or making some income off of it, then yes, it's totally worth it, and I would go and get it if you can. Now, with this, you can hopefully see now if you want to get a Part 107, and if it's even worth it for you. I'm Zane Shaw, and keep flying.